But if you want to run a bunch of commands and instructions, you need to create a playbook. Playbook is a YAML formatted file that contains these instructions, or plays. Now let's create our first playbook containing only one play. I'll create a directory called playbooks inside of the Ansible directory. And after that, let me create a file and name it ping.yaml. Then open it by typing nano ping.yaml. And now let's start filling in the playbook. At the top, every YAML file in Ansible starts with 3 dashes. Below add hosts, all. Then press enter and add 2 spaces. Add tasks, indent 2 spaces again and add pin, space tilde. With YAML, you do need to be careful. The spacing and indentation are important. Now let's save it and try running our first playbook by typing ansible-playbook pin.yaml. And after it ran, we can see the result. It runs the pin module against all hosts in DB group. Now let's recap. A playbook contains plays. In our case, we've got only one play. Later, if you add another host's line with its own tasks below it, that would be a second play. So a playbook contains plays, and play contains tasks, and each task executes a module. In our first playbook, we are running a pin module.